That was a hell of a game yesterday, don't you think? Saints. Way to go, guys. I didn't think you were going to pull it off from the get-go, but awesome second half. Oh, God, not... It's Randy again. Randy, what? You want to go out? No, let's go out. Yeah, let's go out, guys. Go ahead. Okay. Come on, Bernie, you need to go out? Go, Randy. Bernie, you want to go out? Go ahead. Go out. There he goes. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, like I was saying, awesome second half. Hey, a quick question. Do you guys think Kangles have gone out in style? I mean, I have lots of Kangles, and I keep buying them. But a friend of mine said Kangles went out of style like 10 years ago or something like that. I can't remember. What do you guys think? Do you think they went out of style? I don't know. I like them. It's just my opinion. Come on, Randy, you ready? Come on. Come on, buddy. Randy. Yeah, like he listens, huh? This is typical Randy. And Bernie wants to go in. Come on, Bernie, you want to go in? There you go. See ya. Goodbye. Come on, Randy. 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 Come, Randy. Yeah, right. Randy. 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 Even when I talk nice, it doesn't make a difference. Randy. 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 You know where I got that voice from? Oddly enough, Jim Carrey's version of the Grinch. When he's talking to his dog, and he asks him for a 3/16 wrench, he tells him, "Stay focused." So it works, but Randy's getting hard of hearing, so it's not working at all. Here he comes. Don't let him fool you. He acts like he's slow and out of breath. You put a cat or a dog walking by, you take off like a jackrabbit. Here's a couple cool devices. I don't know if any of you guys have them out there. That, my friends, is Rovio. And anyone out there that has Rovio knows that that is a surveillance robot on wheels. And then Roomba. Roomba's getting the crap kicked out of him with 3 dogs. So, since we've been buying Roombas, which is probably, I don't know, 2 years, we've gone through probably 7. They just keep dying. There's just way too much hair. We run them every day. So, I had recommended that we get 2 of them and kind of alternate, but we just haven't done it yet. Oh, please. Nobody's killing you. Like little babies, they're sleeping. She actually has her eyes open, but she's pretending that she's sleeping like she's trying to trick me. I don't know why the dogs are out here. Because Miss Carla's gone to bed, but they must be waiting for me. It's been a weird thing the past little bit. The dogs have just like, they won't go in with Carla. I think let's get a closer look at Avi. Oh. Nothing. Oh, there she is. She's a little groggy. I hear somebody's Skyping me. Work is never done. I guess I gotta go. See you, bye.